touch my hair.
That was way too high. That was way too high pitch. So tonight is Monday and Mike is out of town working.
Hey guys! Hey guys!
So I stopped. I'm not cooking tonight. So I stopped to this famous place here in town. It's called Meek's Circle 7. It's called Meek's Circle 7. And not Meek's Circle 7. No, yeah, it is Meek's Circle 7. Yeah. And they have like the best fried chicken. So I got a 3-piece of the fried chicken, the red beans and rice, which I don't know what this green stuff is. To put, I guess, parsley on it. Green beans. Andre got a 3-piece with dirty rice. Let me show me your dirty rice. It looks a little dry, but that's his dirty rice. It's not dry? Oh, it just looks like that. Maybe because it's dark. And then the girls got a 2-piece. They got macaroni and cheese, fries, and then a leg. So I'm gonna see how this tastes. There's a huge hype about it on Facebook. Everybody's like, oh my god, the chicken is so good, it's so good. So we shall see. First I'm gonna try the red beans and rice real quick and see. I'm a very hard critic, so I really don't know.
I got juice. Juice.
The red beans and rice tastes homemade, which is not like Popeyes for sure, but it does. It's not bad.
The crab dish is so good, so I don't know.
I got a wing. My favorite piece of chicken is the wing. So let's see.
Okay.
This is really good.
Told you, Mommy.
Oh wow.
Told you.
Okay, I see the hype. This is really, really good. Seasoned really well. I'm not mad at it. Not mad at it at all.
And hey guys.
Let me try the macaroni and cheese. It's very seasoned. Like a seasoning all over it. It's good too.
The macaroni and cheese.
I'm pleased. I'm pleased. My Monday's gonna be good. I'm about to go wash their hair. I didn't get to do it yesterday because I had to wash my hair. When I wash their hair today, which is also why I didn't cook, because it's either or. I can't do both. I can't wash their hair and cook by myself because that would be like an all-night process trying to clean the kitchen and So I'm gonna do that today, and then Michael will be back tomorrow. God spare. So I got Andre here to help me with the kids, with the girls. So that's our Monday. That's just so good. Like, I'm not even exaggerating.
That's good.
It lives up to the hype for real.
That's good.
It's good? Even Malia says good.
Me too.
Alright, y'all, I just finished eating that chicken and it was, let me see how my daughter said, bussin'. It was bussin'. It was so good. Like, I don't really like join the bandwagon. They've been here for a while, but I really never ate there. Like maybe a couple years they've been here. So I finally decided to try it today because I knew that I wasn't cooking tonight. And I picked up Andre from soccer practice. He's like, Mom, I'm hungry. And I'm like, well, let's try it because it's all on the other side of town. But y'all, I would drive to go get that chicken. It was the best. Popeyes has nothing on them. So good. So Amazon haul. So I got, what is this? Oh, look, okay, so I got these. First of all, let me just say that this purchase was strictly off of watching other vlogs on YouTube, and I'm like, oh, I want that cup, oh, I want this. So I got some glass straws. So it came with 8 straws. One of them was curved and the other one is straight. So I'm excited to drink out of these. And it came with a brush, of course, to clean them really well. I also got these glass cups here that's like, I don't know, like a soda can almost. And you drink your coffee out of it. Like, look at how cute is this? Like, I'm so excited. The simple things make me happy, which is literally just a glass and a straw, but still, like, I'm super excited about this. I cannot wait to fix my iced coffee in the morning. And I also got some press-on nails. So I have been like wearing press-on nails, like all my videos of my nails are done, it's press-on nails. So I got these from Amazon, which is like a pink, let me see if I can focus on it. This is the design of them. However, they said it's medium length, and I don't think it's medium length. This looks a little too long to be medium, but we're about to see. I can't do the long nails. The stiletto, I honestly can barely do medium, but we'll see. So yeah, this is gonna be too long. Like, look at how long it is. If I did these, it would be for like, oh, I got a wedding a couple weeks. I might do this for the wedding and pop them off the next day. I can't wear these long because I can't even type on the computer. I can barely text with these. I'd rather the short nails. You guys, this is at the bottom of the package, about to be literally thrown away in this box. I was like, oh wait, something else at the bottom. It's my problem. I be ordering stuff and don't be ordering unnecessary stuff. I got some sunglasses, y'all. I usually have, oh, these feel cheap. These feel very cheap. Very, very cheap. So I usually wear the Key sunglasses. So I got this pair here. Oh, she's serving. Oh yeah. These are really cute though. You know what I'm saying? They're cute. So I got the cat eye ones. And then I got the tortoise ones as well, which are these.
Thank you.
It came in a set with 2 of them. So you got a black set and a tortoise one. So I can already tell I'm like the tortoise one. Oh, baby, you can't tell me nothing. You hear me? I got my straw, my cup, and my glasses. Unbothered. You hear me? These kids can tear this house up and I'll be unbothered with my glasses and my cup. I didn't even wash this yet. Maybe I should put my mouth on that. That's quite nasty. But I like these glasses though. So now the Amazon haul is over. I took probably way too much of this vlog, but I like watching hauls because I be trying to find other stuff to buy from Amazon. But I got that, and then I also got something else yesterday, but it's for the Fall Fest. So you guys, I'm sure y'all want to see that. It's not that serious to put on the vlog, but that is my Amazon haul. So y'all, the girls have been watching this thing called Karma's World, and it's a black little girl who's like a rapper, but she has curly hair, and Mala Malia loves watching her. Her name is Karma. It's on Netflix. It's like thebomb.com. So like anybody who wants to look for new cartoons, this one's good. My kids love it. So I just finished their hair. Here's Mila's. Let me show the back. I put a little braid. Put your head down, mama. Little braid connected to the other one. And then here's Malia's. Look, Malia, look up. So how about I deep condition the hair, I come back home, and I start doing her hair. Y'all see this bald spot she has right here? Her sister decided to shave her hair. So Malia has a bald spot here now that she did not have before.
I got a whipping.
Yes, you got a whipping. Yes, she got a whipping for shaving her sister's hair.
And I said sorry.
Yep, she did say sorry. Another day, another vlog. Today I worked out and I hurt my back pretty bad. So I worked out and I was doing deadlifts with 30-pound weights and my back set. So Michael wasn't here to help me work out. Usually he kind of helps me with my form, you know, making sure that I'm doing the right stuff. He wasn't here.
Usually?
Yeah.
No, I help you with your form all the time.
All the time.
All the time.
All the time.
Because you have no form.
I don't have a form because I'm not a bodybuilder. I'm just trying to like tone and possibly lose inches and weight is my goal, but it don't always happen. It hadn't happened. I don't know. I'm still trying to be consistent with it. So anyway, I was doing deadlifts. I was doing a Peloton bike boot camp and I hurt my back. So I'm trying to cook and stuff today. He just got back from Shreveport, and so we're making chicken parmesan tonight.
Chicken parmesan?
You want to show him the food?
Sure. Here's the chicken. There's the noodles. The sauce.
Hey y'all, so we are eating our dinner. I ordered the kids some pizza from Domino's and Mike and I I know we eat not a lot. We eat really good every night, that's why I can't lose weight. Rosita's #2, which is a Mexican restaurant here. I got 2 hard tacos for each one of us. I need y'all to get into this potato over here.
Hey.
And this potato.
Hey.
Swanging, bro. Like, about to be a banger.
You could put shrimp, chicken, steak, whatever you want on it. We got shrimp, and I cannot wait to dig in. So I want to show you guys what our Wednesday is. Uh-oh. I think we have a review already. Somebody else is already digging in theirs.
Hey.
Babe, it's good? Guess it's a yes. He's speechless. And I feel so bad if Mala can't say hey to the camera.
Hey.